Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule mail in Microsoft Outlook. So if you want to schedule any email and in your Microsoft Outlook, this video will show you how to do it. So first, if you have an app, you can open your app. If you have you are browsing any browser, Chrome browser or any other for Microsoft Outlook, you can use it. Now here you will see new mail. Okay, now open it and click on new mail. Now here you have to just if you have to enter the mail address which you to whom you want to send an email. Okay, so I want to send an email this person. Okay, so now click on it and now you have to add an subject. Okay, so now just add any subject here. Okay, so enter whatever subject you want to add, and now here you have to type the mail or the message which you want to send to that person. Okay, so I want to, this is the tutorial, so I'm going to that and now here you will see out right side of the send, you will see this. Now here you will see schedule send. Okay, so now you can select the time like this and you can also customize the time. Okay, so customize the time and then click on send. Okay, so if I want to send it on to, okay, Tuesday to April, so now click on it and now it will be sent on that day and that time. So like this you can schedule an email in Microsoft Outlook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.